Vowel sounds for clarity. Long versus short vowels. Welcome back to Tech English Pro, the channel where we break down tricky grammar rules and pronunciation secrets into bite-sized, super engaging lessons that stick. Today, I'm deep diving into something every English learner struggles with: long versus short vowel sounds. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll sound clearer, more confident, and ready to tackle any word thrown your way. And guess what? You won't just memorize these rules, you'll truly understand them, so they become second nature. Stick around, because this is gonna be fun. With 7 years worth of experience helping students master their pronunciation, I know firsthand how confusing vowels can be. That's why today, we're keeping it simple but powerful. By the time you're finished watching, you'll have a clear understanding of when to use long and short vowels. And most importantly, you'll hear the difference in your own voice. What are long and short vowels? So let's start at the beginning. What exactly are long and short vowels? It's simpler than it seems. A long vowel says its name. For example, the letter A in the words cake sounds like A. See? It says its name. K. On the other hand, a short vowel doesn't say its name. Take the same letter A, but now put it in the word cat. Listen closely. Cat. Hear the difference? Instead of saying A, it makes a shorter, quick sound. Now you might be wondering, why does all of this matter? Well, imagine you go to your favorite cafe and ask for a cup instead of a cake. Suddenly, the barista hands you a tiny cup of coffee instead of a delicious cake. That's because the U sound in cup sounds very different from the long A sound in cake. This tiny mistake can lead to big misunderstandings. Between long and short vowels, you'll avoid those awkward moments and speak with crystal clear confidence. Who wouldn't want that? 3 key rules to remember. Alright, let's get practical. Here are 3 easy to remember rules to help you decide whether a vowel should be short or long. Rule number 1. If a vowel is followed by one consonant and ends the syllable, it usually goes long. For example, he or go. Rule 2. If a vowel is followed by 2 consonants, it's often short. Think of words like pen or dog. Rule 3. Silent E changes everything. When you see a silent E at the end of a word, the first vowel almost always becomes long. Words like make or hope follow this pattern. Fun activity. Ready to test your skills? Let's play a quick game. I'll say a word and you decide if it has a long or a short vowel sound. Ready? First word, ship. Did you say short? Great job. Now try this one. Sight. Yep, that's long. Keep practicing along with me. It's the best way to lock in a new skill. And there you have it. The secret to mastering long and short vowel sounds. With these tips, you're well on your way to speaking English with clarity and confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect. So grab a friend, repeat some words, and make this knowledge yours. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more bite-sized lessons like this, And leave a comment below letting me know which vowel sounds give you trouble. Until next time, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. If you want more classes about vowel sounds or pronunciation, check out these 2 videos. If you want to take English classes with me, you can find me on Italki. The link is down in the comments.